So you might be in a situation where for some reason iOS 18.7.8 just isn't installing on your iPhone. Now this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the big thing that I recommend kind of thinking about here is to go through and make sure that your iPhone basically is connected to some sort of internet connection or data connection. Most of the time, if you're running into any problem here, your best bet is to just go through and make sure that you're not running into some sort of Wi-Fi data, cellular data connection. So make sure you're connected to some sort of cell data or some Wi-Fi connections. That can be some of the biggest things that I recommend kind of thinking about there that can hopefully end up fixing the problem for you. Now, if that's not working, another thing I'd recommend doing here is under your general iPhone settings right over here, I'd recommend trying to go through and just making sure that your iPhone storage is mostly cleared up. Sometimes you might just have to go through and make sure you don't have any storage issues, like you're not about to run out of storage or anything like that. Because sometimes if you are, well, that can also end up causing some issues for you as well. If that's not doing it, you might also want to make sure you're plugging your iPhone in while it's charging, because sometimes you might have to just make sure it doesn't die out or just randomly just kill the battery while it's updating, because that can also cause an issue there too. You can also try going through and trying to restart your iPhone, so volume up and side button to restart your iPhone, seeing if that ends up fixing it as well. And if that doesn't end up doing it, you can also try plugging in your iPhone to your computer and trying to update your iPhone that way. So those are kind of the main ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.